welcome back out here. Driving in winter. This is Twin Cities, Minnesota. They have a small strip mall over there. They have an Asian store, Dollar Tree, and new Ethiopian restaurant. We've had a lot of snow in the last few days, since Sunday. This week, basically. Hopefully you're having a good year. It's a new year, first day of 2026. I want to wish you a good 2026. If 2025 had challenges, and I believe it did for all of us, I hope 2026 will be better than 2025. Stay strong, take care of yourself, spread love. The world is full of hate, so spreading love is the only thing that makes sense. 2026 is here. I had a very good 2025, and I hope to have even a better 2026. Once again, this is Twin Cities. Leave a comment, subscribe. It's always nice if you can leave a comment and say where you're watching this video from. I always appreciate that, because I like to know where my subscribers are, or if you're not subscribed, people who watch my videos. They have AutoZone there. They have a McDonald's. They have a car wash. Of course, nobody's washing the car in the winter storm. And a Holiday gas station. Come here a few times a week. My kid likes slushies. Sometimes I buy them, sometimes I say no. They have the Hook. It's been there for a while. It's never busy. I ate their food. I didn't like the chicken. I'm not saying it's bad, but it's alright. That place there used to be a SA gas station. They closed. This Popeye used to be KFC. They closed and reopened as Popeye. They have a club. It's called Blue Salon. Used to be called Club Cancun. I went there a few times. Thrift store. It's called my thrift store. That's a name. They have a Taco Bell. You can see the sign over there. Burger King. A small strip mall there. They have a Caribou Coffee. Caribou Coffee is overrated. It's too expensive for no reason. They have DQ. It's hard to say that. Still open, even in winter. So thanks for joining. You see that blue sign? That's where they do water sanitation for the city of St. Paul. Water plant, if that's what you want to call it. Chiropractic place there is called Lake McCarran. It's not called Lake McCarran, it's called McCarran. Over there is a lake. Right now it's frozen. Could have gone there, but it's too cold. So just driving here. If you're from the cities, your car breaks down, you can go to O'Reilly. This is a main street, major street. It's called Rice Street here. They have a bar called McCarran. Guess it's named after the lake. See a few cars. You want to rent a boat? You can go to Borders Outlet. Right now it's closed. It's winter. Don't see any boats. And to my right, where you see those things, it's called Beverage Solutions. I don't know what kind of solutions they do, but whatever. I thought it's milk, but it says beverage. Alright, I'm going over here. It's called Cub Foods. Thanks for joining. They have Jet's Pizza over there. And that's a store I'm going to. It's a grocery store. Cub Foods. So thanks for joining on this short drive from home, coming together. A few things here at Cub Foods. Take it easy. If you're not subscribed, you know what to do. If you're a subscriber, thank you so much. Continue watching our videos and leaving comments. I really do appreciate that. See you on the next video. Peace out.